Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got in front of me a Concorde Credo, which is going to cost 330,000 euros. Credo 840 Li, 850 centimeters long by 233 centimeters by 234. So it gives, on a 5.8 gross vehicle weight, it'll give 951 kilos of payload. Let's have a look inside. So don't want all the riffraff getting in, so they'll put them things up, but in this case it's failed. I've got it anyway. Right, now doesn't it look great without the bed over there? Look at all this space you've got there. Look at the fantastic view you've got from the windshield. There is for the Americans. And look at all of that space. I think that's outstanding in my opinion. Now, sometimes people ask me to give information about the engine and all the rest of it. I don't normally do that, and in this case is no exception. Note, however, that the steering wheel comes off. What's the point of that? The point is, first of all, it gives you more maneuverability with the chair, and also it gives it a less automotive appearance, and some that's been sort of achieved by some of the way this has been laid out as well. Nonetheless, you can see the remains of the steering wheel whilst you're in here. Looking down the galley, outstanding. Huge spacious kitchen. Look at all of this space. 3 burners, you've got a molded sink, you've got a place for your waste, your carrot bits of potato peelings or whatever. You've got storage under here, very well done as well. And behind me we find a Dometic fridge. It's one of these clever fridges that opens in both directions, and up here also you'll find, look at that, that opens there as well. And up here we've got an AEG oven, and I don't know how to open it, so I'm not even going to try, but it is a proper oven. That thing's nice, isn't it? No, I'm not going to try. So here, slide out pantry. What happens if you drive off and the slide out pantry isn't closed? Well, it'll fall out, and if it falls out with enough violence, it'll break. Mind you, these things are properly built. It's not like something like Trigano or something, turn around a corner and everything falls out. There's me in the mirror. There's this molded sink, ceramic toilet, shower, and enormous bed at the back. Yeah, this is a very nice looking vehicle. Let's have a look on the outside. Yeah, they certainly don't want the riffraff getting in these things. Enormous garage. That's wonderful. You've got some electrical equipment as well in here. I know he's doing his screwdriver to access it, but even so, excellent. And this is fantastic. Wonderful garage. So, access from this side of the garage as well. You've got storage all the way around in this deep double floor. Bear in mind, these things are largely built to order, so whoever buys it can, to a large extent, get what they want. Of course, there are other layouts here, as you can see, lots more vehicles available. and from different companies as well. This is a press conference that's going on right now. I think my time's better off used showing you the vehicles and picking up the details afterwards, and then doing what I can from there. So you see it from the front. These mirrors very, very large. Some of them are now, they're using Concorde. You've got the it's mirrorless, so you've got the cameras inside, which is better. I noticed 1 or 2 models having that. I have to show you that in a different video though. So anyway, there's a quick overview. Thanks so much for watching. Concorde Credo, and Credo means I believe in Latin. So as for me, thanks so much for being with me. I upload every day at 21:15. It's the largest collection of motorhomes, campervans and the like on YouTube, so if you're interested in this type of thing, then you might want to see more. For the moment, from me in Germany, thanks and bye for now.